Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method from Gemini. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin after you buy or sell $100. However, if you already have an account, just open the website then click sign in. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once signed in, you will see several options at the top right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. Click on the Settings option. On this page, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Security. Under Login Information, you will see a section for email. Beside it, you will see 3 horizontal dots. Click on the 3 horizontal dots. A drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for Change Password. Click on Change Password. Then a pop-up window will appear. There, you will enter the authentication code you have received. Once entered, click on Submit. Now on the first field, enter your old password. Then on the second and third field, enter the new password you wish to use. Once entered, review it. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Change Password. That's how you change your Gemini password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.